Hello everyone, this is John from Civil Center. Welcome back to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with the vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals, and for that we keep making videos on different software. So the question is, what are we going to learn today? Today we will learn how to use the push-pull tool in SketchUp. So I have drawn a rectangle of random dimension, and now I am using my push-pull tool and I can drag it to any height I want. I can use this push-pull tool to extend the length of the object or to reduce the length of the object. Now I would like to draw a square over here, so it is kind of a square. So first of all, I will explain you how can you make a shape like this. So I will pull it a little more, and now I will take the offset. So in this video we will also learn how to use the offset. So this was the offset tool. Now I will take a line tool and join the corners. So you can't see these lines joining, but these lines are actually joining. I will also draw a line from here to here and then here to here. Now I can use my eraser tool to erase these lines so that I can get the geometry I want. Over here I have missed one line. So if you are my regular viewer, then you must be knowing that you can get the shape back by just joining the lines, and I will erase the unnecessary lines over here. So I have a shape like this now. Now while using the push-pull tool, if you will pull it in this way, then you can see that I can get a rectangular shape over here that is being pulled. But what if I want to pull this geometry to the required height? So for that I can use a simple technique. All I have to do is to just press the Alt button on my keyboard, and then I will drag it, and you can see it is keeping all the entities together, and I can use this push-pull tool to resize my object without disturbing the geometry of the object. So these were the two ways of using the push-pull tool. One was by just using it by simply left click on the surface and pulling or pushing it, and another was to hold the Alt button and use the push-pull tool if you don't want to disturb the geometry. So today you have learned the smart way of using the push-pull tool, and if you want to learn more, then you can stay tuned to our channel. And if you want to join our live online classes, then you can find a link in the description which will redirect you to this Google form, and over here you can enroll yourself for our SketchUp class. Also, if you want to get the recorded session of the SketchUp class, then you can select this option. Once you fill all the details, our team will connect with you. So that was all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.